I like the culture of Hinkley High School, which is a blending of lots of different cultures, and just love the culture of education and students achieving.
What's your culture?
I am Puerto Rican.
What do you like most about your culture?
I would say I really love the food, wonderful food, and the music, the dancing, and all that. Yeah.
What's your culture?
My culture is Latin American. It's a lot of beauty and food. Good stuff.
My two cultures are Salvadoran and Mexican.
What's your culture?
My name is Frank Talfa. Oh, it's Talfa, but you know. In my culture, I'm Tongan, from the islands. Yeah.
I'm Miss Cheslin, and I'm from the Dominican Republic, and I would say what I like most about our culture is the food, the music, and that we're always happy and we're the life of the party.
What's your culture?
I'm a Mexican.
In America, and the favorite thing about my culture is the unity and the history.
Hello, my name is Aaron, and I'm Hispanic.
What's your culture?
I am from Mexico, and my favorite thing about Mexican culture is that we're really family oriented and we throw really good parties and have really great food.
What's your culture?
My family is Eritrean, and Eritrea is a little country in East Africa on the Red Sea. So you see when Africa is like this, you know? That little part right there? Eritrea is right there. The cool thing about Eritrea is the national bird is an ostrich. But one thing I like about my background is injera, which is like a really traditional bread that you can only get at Ethiopian or Eritrean stores or restaurants. It's kind of like a big pancake, but it tastes like sourdough. Besides like ethnic culture would be just to be a genuine person who gives my time and my energy to make others have a better experience, whatever that means.
All right, this is Mia. This is Mia. She's a senior. What's your culture, Mia?
Tribal, I guess.
Tribal?
Native American. Tribal.
Okay. Any tribe?
Ogallala.
No.
Yeah.
One thing we like about our culture is Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo.
What do you like about your culture?
One thing about my culture I like is our music, corridos.
What do you like about your culture?
The music and the food.
What's your favorite part of your culture?
The food.
What's your favorite part of your culture?
Well, my culture, I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana. So we have a lot of culture, specifically about music and food, and I love them both. There's all sorts of great music, especially jazz, blues, gospel, zydeco, all kinds of great music. Funk music, all the best music is there. And the food is amazing. Crawfish, po' boys, red beans and rice, fried chicken. The food in New Orleans is amazing. So the music and food of New Orleans, that's my culture.
What's your favorite part of your culture?
My favorite part about our culture is probably celebrating the coming of age when we do our 16 birthdays. There's quinceañeras and there's also you could do a male one, but that's optional.
Oh, that's cool.
That's my favorite part. And celebrating with family and dancing around is like the fun part.
What do you like about your culture?
I like my family members. I like how we can get together and enjoy ourselves.
What do you like about your culture?
What do I like about my... A lot of things, actually, apart from the flag. Mostly the rich history that it has behind it.
What do you like about your culture?
Lo que más me gusta de mi cultura es la música y la comida.
What do you like about your culture?
I like the songs, music, the language, the stories and the history that go along with Choctaw.
Welcome to Hinkley Culture Fest,
where we're celebrating diversity and love.
where we represent the countries we're from, like I'm from Ghana. I am Some from Finland.
Irish and Welsh.
Yeah, we come together as one people, and then we love music. That's what we represent. So that's all our cultures all together. Have a great time today.